Here's how to install ink cartridges in the Epson WF-2910. Rotate the printer and you'll see this handle on the right hand side. Lift this up like this and the latch on the left will hold it up. Making sure the printer is turned on. The ink tray will be presented to you. So we're going to take the black one first and simply place it flat in the holder, and you should hear it click when it's secured into place. We will now do the yellow one. So hold it like this and simply place it flat and click it into place. You might need to apply a bit of force, but that's okay. Next we will do the magenta. So if it's like that, just push it down until you hear that click. And then finally the cyan. Once you have all 4 ink cartridges installed, lift up this lid to release the blue latch, and then lift it once more to fully close the printer. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.